Hi, I'm Aysha Mahshoofa of first year AIDS, and my topic is CFC free fridge. So, a CFC free fridge is an environmentally friendly refrigerator that does not use chlorofluorocarbon refrigerants, which are harmful to the ozone layer. These fridges use more eco-friendly refrigerant like hydrofluorocarbons or other alternative to reduce their environmental impact. So the component used is compressor. The compressor is responsible for circulating the refrigerant through the system, compressing it to create the cooling effect. And next one is refrigerant. So CFC free fridge use environmentally friendly refrigerants such as hydrofluorocarbons or hydrofluorocarbons, which have minimal impact on the ozone layer. Evaporator. The evaporator is where the refrigerant evaporates, absorbing heat from the fridge's interior to cool it. Condenser. The condenser releases the heat absorbed by the evaporator to the surrounding environment, allowing the refrigerant to return to a liquid state. Expansion valve. This valve controls the flow of refrigerant into the evaporator, regulating the cooling process. This is a prototype of CFC free fridge. Thank you.